Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tony, and in this video I'm going to show you how to check the oil in your 2006 to 2012 Toyota RAV4. This one happens to be a 2008 and it has a 2.4 motor in it. So if you have a RAV4 with this motor between those year ranges, this video should help you out checking the motor oil. But remember, before we roll into this, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll reply back to you. Let's get rolling. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to go around the side and pop the hood. And the hood release should be under the dashboard in the driver's side, like right about here. Just pull a lever and that'll pop the hood for you. Let's come around to the front. And there's a hood release under the front of the hood. So if you lift your hand up, lift the hood up, put your hand under there's a little latch right here. That'll lift the hood, put the prop up. So on this motor on these years, the oil dipstick is located right here. It's near the front of the engine bay, has a yellow handle on it. So make sure you get yourself a paper rag or an old cloth and pull the dipstick out. Then wipe the oil off of it. And then you're gonna see like two holes. There's one here and that's the high mark. There's another hole right here that's the low mark. You wanna try to be like kinda close up to here if possible. So now we have the oil off of the dipstick. Let's push it back in and we'll check it again. And right about here. So we could probably add a little bit of oil to this motor and I'll have to run out and get some. But it may take probably, I'm guessing maybe about a half a quart. So put the dipstick back in, and if you have to top the oil off, to add oil in, the oil engine cap is right here. All you need to do is twist it, get yourself a funnel, add a little oil in at a time, and check the, as you add it in, like add a little in at a time, keep checking the dipstick to watch that oil level to see if it comes up. Once you're close to that top mark, which is right about there, that's about where you want to end up and you should be all set. So consult your owner's manual. You should have one in the glove box, or look at your oil filler cap. This one is right here. It has 520 stamped on it. So if you don't have the owner's manual, double check the cap. It should take 520, but that's basically it. So I hope you guys learned something by watching the video, and you can pretty much apply this basic technique to pretty much any vehicle that you own. You know, that's pretty much. Look for the engine oil dipstick. It should be labeled for you, and that's the procedure. Wipe the dipstick off when you take it out of the dipstick tube. Put it back in, check it again. You may want to do that a couple times to get a good reading on that oil level in the motor. Look at the owner's manual, get the recommended weight oil, top it off a little at a time, and then you should be all set. Your oil level, get it right up there, and that's all it really takes, to really help to take care of a motor in your vehicle. Your oil's everything. It's the blood of your engine and your vehicle. So hope you liked the video. Leave a comment if you have one. Give the video a thumbs up if you like it, and subscribe to the channel. You don't want to miss anything. Thanks for watching.